Master the clock. GRE Issue Task Time Management. Hello learners. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of the GRE's Analytical Writing section, focusing specifically on the issue task. Managing time is crucial for success, and we'll be discussing strategies to help you do just that. Let's dive in. The issue task allots you 30 minutes to compose your response. That might sound like plenty, but when you're addressing a complex topic and aiming to put forth a well-structured essay, every minute counts. To utilize these 30 minutes wisely, consider the following breakdown. 1. First 5 minutes. Read the prompt and understand the core issue. Jot down your initial thoughts and examples. 2. Next 20 minutes. This is your core writing time. Structure your essay into an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. 3. Final 5 minutes. Review and revise. Correct any grammatical errors, refine your argument, and ensure your essay flows logically. 1. Practice makes perfect. Regularly practice writing essays within the 30-minute time frame. This will help you get accustomed to the pace required. 2. Use a watch. While taking the actual test, wearing a watch, make sure it doesn't beep, can be a lifesaver. Keep an eye on it to ensure you're on track. 3. Limit overthinking. While it's vital to think critically about the topic, don't spend excessive time pondering. Commit to a position and build your essay around it. 4. Stay on topic. It's easy to digress, especially when you're passionate about a subject. Always ensure your points relate directly to the issue at hand. It's not uncommon to draw a blank when faced with the pressure of time. Here are a couple of tips. 1. Return to the prompt. Reread the issue statement. It might spark a new line of thought. 2. Brainstorm. Take a minute to jot down whatever comes to mind. This process might help you discover a unique perspective or example. Time management can make or break your issue task performance on the GRE. With strategic planning, regular practice, and a few key strategies up your sleeve, you can master the clock and produce a compelling essay. We hope this video empowers you to approach the issue task with confidence. Best of luck in your preparations.